Hello, everyone. Again, this is Lady Free Renee with RL Travels, and many of you asked for Stephanie, so here she is.
Hello.
And what we're going to do together is we're going to talk about what not to bring on a cruise ship. So we just did one for what to bring, but this time I want to do what not to bring because, as you all know, Stephanie's brutally honest. So that's what we're doing today. So, number one, what we recommend not to bring on a cruise ship. Number one is your portable fan. I recommend that you ask your steward for this. What do you think?
I yes, I recommend that as well.
I mean, as far as the neck
That's
fan,
different. They
that's
won't take
different,
that. Right.
right?
They'll take a portable fan that you have to plug in.
But even if you do get one pass that you can plug in, I mean, it's just taking up space. You can ask your steward if it gets like that. Either A, turn it down, or B, ask your steward for a portable fan. There's no need to try to travel with one. I think it's inconvenient. Absolutely. Number two, please leave your iron at home. They will confiscate it.
Yeah, they'll take it. You won't have it.
Absolutely. Yes. My sister brought hers on. You remember that on Carnival Elation when
Mm-hmm.
Andrea brought hers? And she opened up her suitcase and there was a note. And she goes, looked at her daughter. She goes, well, Nika, what does it say? And we read it and it clearly said, we've confiscated your iron. You can get it up on debarkation because we don't want to really do anything that's gonna burn down the ship. I
Right.
hate to say it like that, but it's
But it's
true.
true.
It's true. You don't even know anything may happen. If you're on Carnival, they have an ironing room. Like I said, in my previous one, use the Downy wrinkle releaser. I mean, I'm
Mm-hmm.
sorry, we're on a cruise
Works
ship.
great.
Exactly. Number three, leave your hair dryer at home.
They have one there. You don't need to bring one with you.
Exactly. They have one there.
There's one in every cabin.
Every cabin. And me, myself personally, I don't want to leave my Revlon at home. I don't, but I leave it at home. So
And they're very nice blow dryers. They're not cheap or anything. They're very nice blow dryers. So
I
you'll be
think
good.
so too. I think so
And I think
too.
they're hardwired, so you're good.
Yes, exactly. Number four, I talked about the non-surge power strip. What not to bring is the surge protector because just don't bring it. You can bring a power strip, but do not bring that surge protector. It pulls a lot of electricity. And Stephanie had to explain that to me too, that there is a big difference.
Off, it flips breakers, and you don't want breakers flipping when you're on a cruise ship.
In the middle of an ocean.
Exactly.
It just, you can glean from that what you may.
Right.
Okay. Number five, you cannot bring hard liquor and beer. There's no getting past that one.
Don't try to bring your Hennessy in your bag. It's not gonna
Please
make it.
don't. I mean, people do go on to I'm not gonna mention the name, but we've all, uh done that before where we have shopped at a particular place that can deliver to you in 1 to 2 days and we all love it. That starts with an A. And people go on there and they get the confiscating things. Sometimes it works, majority of the time it doesn't.
They see Facebook and Amazon just like you do.
Exactly. So just don't do it. I mean, it's gotten to the point now people try to sneak so much clear stuff on there, I'll say, that now you can't even really bring water anymore because gin and vodka and tequila don't make bubbles like water. So now, since they can't tell the difference, we can't even bring that anymore. So,
No.
just leave it at home.
And with Virgin, I mean they you have huge carafes of water in your room. So however
Yes,
much you want, they'll just bring it.
exactly. Number six, legal, illegal, great taste, less filling, whatever. Leave your narcotics at home. Leave the vape at home. Um,
Even if you have a prescription, it
yeah,
doesn't work at sea.
because we have to abide by maritime law and rules. And they don't care. I mean, many of you all know because you cruise with me, I have a pacemaker. I have a prescription, but can't do anything. So just leave it. You don't want those dogs coming to your cabin and you being embarrassed, or worse, you not coming back home.
Yeah, because they do keep dogs on the ship now.
So again, we must go according to maritime law. So please just don't even bring it. Even if it gets past the airport or anything like that, something may happen. You may luck out, but there are people that don't look out. So just don't do it. Number 7, this is a touchy subject, but I mean, it may be a touchy subject for her, but it's not a touchy subject for me because y'all know that my name is free. I'm a free spirit. Don't bring handcuffs for any reason. And for those of you that are saying, free, why would I bring handcuffs? Then this doesn't apply to you. But for anyone else, just don't don't do it at all. I did get something from Lynette and Stanley with Life with Us. I love them so much. I'm a huge fan. You all, if you go to YouTube, please go to their channel. I love them. They have most awesome tips, most relatable, fun, and everything, and they're just cool people. So I did get this idea from them. If you have to bring something, just bring pantyhose. Bring pantyhose. They work just as well. And yeah, that way you can do what you need to do. Just don't bring the pantyhose. You got anything to say about that?
Mm-mm.
You'll have nothing to say.
On to the next question.
So that's all I'm saying is don't bring your handcuffs. I don't know if she's gonna like the next questions either, but number 8, don't bring your hookah machine. So that can get passed. Upon debarkation, they should have it for you. They should. Don't bring it at all. I mean, they're really trying to get away from cigarettes and cigars. So last thing you need to do is bring your hookah machine portable. Otherwise, just don't even do it because
Right.
you'll be very upset when you get off and they're like, I don't know what you're talking about.
Right. I mean, you can bring like non marijuana vapes
Yeah,
if you smoke.
yeah,
That's fine because there's places for that.
yeah.
But don't bring
Don't bring the
the
whole
hookah.
thing trying to
That's insane.
impress people that you're never going to meet again. So
Exactly.
just let it go. Um, Number 9, don't bring candles. Do not bring incense. I know they set the mood, hence number 7 with the handcuffs, but don't bring them because again, we do not want to burn the ship down. I know it sets the ambiance and everything, and hey, we're on a cruise ship, and don't do them. If you have to, take some AA batteries and put them inside of portable candles. Thought I was gonna say something else. Put them, just get the battery operated candles, and like go to Bath and Body Works like I do and just spray, and it'll do the same thing as the incense and the candles will do. That's
But
just
with
what I
the
say.
incense, you're correct. As far as the lighting, I mean, the room is equipped with any kind of lighting you want to use.
Yeah, but that's on Virgin. This one is
Right.
like for everyone. So for
Okay.
Virgin, yeah, different. You
Yeah,
won't need
Virgin
it at
is
all.
equipped that
You'll
it's
have an
equipped.
iPad and it can change any colors that you want. But for any place else, Carnival, Royal,
Right.
MSC, Celebrity, Azamara, just yeah, don't do. Just bring the battery operated candle. That's all I'm gonna say. Number 10, very important. Again, I don't want to make anybody uneasy, but it must be said. Unless you are about that life, leave your upside down pineapples or unicorns at home. Don't stick them on because little Jeremy likes them. Don't put them outside of your door because, "Ooh, I'm thinking of Margaritaville." Don't do it because it means something else at sea. And now it means something else, even if you're not at sea. So if you do not know what that means, definitely don't bring them because you're not about that life. And if you do know what that means, if I see it on your door, I'm going to walk past because, hey, we're all grown. But if you choose or elect not to adhere to what I'm saying and you stick something on there because baby Amber just loves pineapples and it
Somebody
just so
flipped it
happens
upside down.
and it flips upside down, don't be alarmed if somebody knocks at your door at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning saying, do you want to play? That
Ain't my business.
And the same thing with unicorns. I mean, mermaids,
Flamingo.
flamingos. And be, oh, it's a little mermaid. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna put that magnet on my door. Uh-huh.
Go ahead and want to.
And then at 3 o'clock in the morning, when I hear that's what happened with the Little Mermaid on your door. So those things are little idiosyncrasies for other people. So just don't do it. And if you're really inquisitive, just Google it, boo, because I'm not gonna put it on here. Just Google it. The next one is beach towels. With this one, I'm going to say do as I say, not as I do, because many people have cruised with me, but you bring your, I ask you what I do. I'm telling you not to bring your beach towels. They are supplied by the cruise ship. Okay. Again, they are supplied by the cruise ship. Last but not least of my 12 things of not to bring, me myself personally, I recommend don't bring water. With Virgin, it is, as Stephanie said.
There's a carafe in there for you, full of water, and they refill it as often as you need to be
Mhm.
refilled, and it's cold water.
And it is cold water and it is good. And I mean, they keep refilling it. I don't think I ever had to even ask my steward ever at all.
And other cruise ships, they don't even allow you to bring water on the cruise
Mm-mm.
ship anymore. They tell you can buy water,
Mhm.
and it's reasonably priced to buy the water if you want to buy it in a case. But
I agree.
I mean, honestly, water is free, so
Yeah.
you can go get as much as you want. But
Yeah.
uh, if you bring your own cup like we do, you
Mhm.
can just keep refilling it, and you're good to go.
They do have those refillable. I saw that on the Carnival.
Mhm.
They had the
The refillable
refillable mugs or machines rather. You could just
Mhm.
take, you know, we discussed this on the previous video. You can just take this, stick it up under there, push it. I mean, it's
Mhm.
not tap water or anything like that. It is
Right.
bottled water. It is the good water. And then otherwise, if you want it inside of your cabin, I recommend you purchase it. You don't even have to pre-purchase it. If you want to pre-purchase it, go onto their website or contact me as your travel advisor. Again, Lady Free Renee with RL Travels. You have my information. For those that don't, it's rltravels.com or Free Renee at rltravels.com. Rodney or Rodney Hay. He is our cruise travel advisor. So Rodney at rltravels.com. We will go on. We will have it ordered for you. You pay a small nominal fee. I don't believe any more than $10 even for a case. And before it used to be 250 or 350. So just do that on there. And that way you're not spending unnecessary money. So those are my 12 tips. Again, these are from personal experience. They're also from other travel advisors, other travel agencies. As always, I like to give credit where credit is due. So, of course, I'm going to give a shout out to the beautiful Lynette and the handsome Stanley of Life with Us Travel, because the majority of these I did get from them. And I did agree because we've gone on cruises.
Yeah.
And we've experienced it the hard way. Some of them we didn't experience. We started out doing it, and other ones we experienced the hard way. So we, of course, want to make your cruise easy for you as well. So, with that in mind, if you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to give us a call. And don't forget to go on YouTube, find our YouTube channel, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. So every time we drop a new video, you're the first one to know. So, again, Stephanie, I'm Lady Free Renee, and thank you so much for spending your time with us. Happy travels. Bye bye.